welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from a quick trip to New York, and before I unpack my luggage, I just wanted to come on and share with you some of the travel accessories or some of the travel things that just made my trip a little more organized and efficient. So some of these things are lower priced items and some of them are higher priced items. This trip, I just kind of wanted to keep it low key. So I utilized a lot of my less expensive items. So we'll just start with the things that I put into my carry-on bag. So I don't pack any designer items or anything that I feel is valuable in my checked luggage because mama didn't raise no fool. So if there are things that I would be hurt if they were lost or stolen, I carry those things on the plane with me. So we'll start off with that. So if these things are still available, I'll make sure that I link them in the description box below. So the first thing is this cosmetic bag from Louis Vuitton in the Damier Ebene print. And I bought this a while ago, so I don't even think they make this anymore. It used to be known as the GM size, so the larger of the cosmetic pouches. So I didn't bring as much makeup on this trip, so I was able to use this bag. So it just has my makeup. So this little pouch for my brushes, and then just some of my makeup items in here. So my Revlon Color Stay in the color Toffee. Some eyeshadow. My MAC Ruby Woo. And just a bunch of other things. And then next I have this little jewelry case that I got from Nordstrom last year during the anniversary sale. And it fit all of the jewelry that I needed for my trip. It has these little compartments for your rings. And then, you know, I put my earrings in these little compartments over here. This is where you can stick your stud earrings, and then your necklaces you can put over here. And it was just perfect for this trip. I didn't take as much jewelry as I usually take, but it pretty much fit my needs. And then this little pouch I got from Walmart. I think it came in a set of 3. So this is the smallest one. And I always take it with me on the plane because it has my mask and it has my Clorox wipes that I like to wipe down the plane, my seat and my tray and everything, as well as my hotel room. And this next pouch is where I keep all of my charging things for my phone and my tablet. So this pouch I got from Sephora a while ago, and it is a cosmetics pouch, but I just use it for anything I want to use it for. And it came as part of a 2-piece set. It has these snaps, and so you just kind of snap it together if you want. That's how it came. And then when you pack it, you can just pack it like this, and it's nice and compact. But I only use the one pouch for my charging cable. So inside I have this little case, and inside it has a portable charger that I bought off of Amazon. And I like this particular one because it has all of the 3 charging ports that you might need. So it has one for like Samsung Galaxy devices. So this fits my tablet and my phone. I believe this is called a USB-C. And then it also has the one for Apple products. And then the third one for other type of products. So I can't remember what the name of this particular USB port is, but it used to charge my older phone. And that's why I like it, because, you know, it's versatile. If anyone else like has an Apple product and they need a charger, then you can let them borrow this, and then you just kind of plug it into the wall to actually charge the portable charger. So, and it came in this really nice carrying case, and I put my charging cables in here, and it just makes everything all organized and compact. And then also in here, I have my adapter and my AirPods. And then this next pouch came as a set of 3. So this is the medium size pouch. And as you can see, it's Burberry inspired. I got these off of Amazon. And in here, I just put my phone and my video recording essentials. So my camera was in here, the little ring light for my phone. And my tripod was in here, my little travel tripod, and a couple of other things. So this actually went in my carry-on bag on the plane with me. And then the other part of the set is this larger one, which has a handle. And this trip, I put my hair stuff in it. So my curling iron, my flat iron, my comb, my brush, just all of my little hair essentials, my hair oils. So it just kind of all went in here. It's long enough for my curling iron and my flat iron, and that's what I love about it. And then this next toiletry pouch is new. So this is my first time using it on this trip, and I absolutely loved it. So I usually use this Louis Vuitton cosmetic bag for my toiletries. I believe this is the 25 size. And what I like about this one, and this one I got off of Amazon, so it wasn't very expensive. I like the matte black color. It's very kind of luxe and chic, and it makes it look a little more expensive than it really is. What I like about it is that when you unzip it, it opens up and it stays flat on your counter at your hotel. So I can see everything. I have access to everything without digging around. This toiletry pouch, I used to have to kind of dig around. You can't really see into it because it doesn't open all the way like this one does. So I've been very pleased with this one. I highly recommend it. You just zip it up and everything pretty much stays upright. And then it's so compact that it easily, fits inside of your luggage. So happy with that. I'm glad I bought it. And then something that was a total game changer for me were these packing cubes. So I didn't understand the awesomeness of packing cubes until I actually bought them and started using them. So before I got my packing cubes, I always used to wonder, like, what's the big deal about packing cubes? I mean, you just throw your stuff in the suitcase and go, right? But these make your items so much more organized. It kind of makes your clothes compacted down so you can fit more into your suitcase, because I am an overpacker. So any room that I can squeeze out of a suitcase, I will. I got these off of Amazon. I think they came in a pack of 7, and they came in a bunch of colors. So you can buy your packing cubes to match your suitcase. But I totally love them. This trip I used 3. So 2 for my clothes and then 1 smaller one for my underwear. And they just make everything so much easier. You can just take these out and throw them in your drawer at your hotel room. And you don't even really need to take everything out. It just makes everything so much more organized. And then a couple of other things I wanted to mention. They're not really like packing accessories, but I found them useful on this trip in particular. The first thing is this blanket scarf, which I absolutely needed in the airport and on the airplane. When you travel, there's times when the plane is like really cold and really hot. I mean, the temperature changes a lot, especially traveling in the wintertime. You never know when you're going to need something to put over your shoulders or put over your body to warm yourself up. And this blanket scarf came in clutch. So a couple of times I used it on the plane. I used it in the hotel room. I used it in the airport. I don't know what I would have done without this on this trip, because I felt like there were several times where I was like freezing. So get yourself a blanket scarf. And then the last thing that I really enjoyed was this phone case that I bought off of Amazon a few weeks ago. And I will just put my phone in here and put it around my body like this. And then I would just use it like if I was going down to the hotel lobby really quickly for something and I didn't want to take my purse. And I just wanted to, be hands-free, but I needed my phone, going down to breakfast. I would just take this with me. It has this little compartment that you can put your credit card. I will put my room key in here or some cash. But I love this. This was my first time actually taking it on a trip, and I can see myself taking it on trips in the future. So really like this. So those are just a few of the travel accessories that I took on my most recent trip that made things a lot more organized and efficient. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.